An Earnin cash out usually fails when your bank rejects instant transfers, your paycheck data doesn't match what Earnin expects, or your account is temporarily restricted after a risk check. By the end, you'll know why your Earnin cash out failed, how to identify the exact cause in your app, and the steps that usually get the transfer working again. Start with your bank connection. Earnin depends on a stable connection to your bank. If your login token expires, your bank changes security settings, or your account gets flagged for unusual activity, the cash out request can fail instantly. Reconnecting your bank inside Earnin forces a fresh verification and often clears the block. Next, check your pay verification status. Earnin uses your paycheck history to confirm your earnings. If your pay schedule changes, your employer deposits shift, or your recent transactions don't match expected patterns, the system can stop cash outs until it re-verifies your income flow. That verification gap is one of the most common failure points. Now, look at instant transfer compatibility. Not every bank handles instant deposits the same way. Some banks reject certain fast transfer routes or delay incoming funds for review. When that happens, Earnin shows a failed cash out, even though the issue is on the bank side, not the app. Another factor is daily or system limits. Earnin applies limits based on account activity, repayment history, and risk scoring. If you hit a limit or trigger a temporary restriction, the cash out can fail without a detailed error message. In that case, waiting and retrying later often works better than repeated attempts. Device and app issues also matter. If your app version is outdated, or your device session is corrupted, the request may not complete properly. Logging out, updating the app, and logging back in resets the session and can clear hidden errors. Here's the core breakdown. Earnin cash out failures usually come from bank connection issues, pay verification mismatches, instant transfer rejection, system limits, or app session errors. Here's what to do step by step. Reconnect your bank first. Then confirm your pay information is up to date inside Earnin. After that, wait a short period before retrying instead of submitting repeated requests. Finally, update the app and log back in to refresh your session. If the cash out still fails after that, contact your bank to check for incoming transfer blocks, because many failed Earnin cash outs are actually rejected on the bank side before they fully process. Fix those points and most cash out failures resolve without needing extra escalation. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear fixes on Earnin and other cash advance apps.